So you guys, I bought a Bible and I've had it for a while now. I really love it. It's nice. So I was contemplating buying this one and one other one. I'll put the name on the screen. And I was just drawn to this. Like, what formed my decision in buying this one is because most times on my phone, the Bible app I use on my phone is always on NLT translation. So that was why I got this one. It's a journaling coloring Bible. It's amazing. I've done some coloring. Anyway, like I said, I've had it for a while. And these Bible tabs, I got it from another IG page, different from where I got the Bible from. I'll put them on the screen. And I chose this color on purpose because, I mean, it suits the theme of the color theme of the Bible. As you can see, it's really nice. It took a lot putting this thing on. I'm sure I used up to 2 hours safe. It was a lot. Anyway, and then it has this extra stickers at the back, more like a pocket. Oh, how do I get this? Okay, so it came with this. Came with extra stickers. I'm thinking when I buy a notepad, I don't have a notepad yet, so when I buy a notepad, I'll just use this to design the notepad. And yeah, that's all stickers. And then they gave a little stuff for creating your own tabs for the dotted line, but it's not enough. So anyway, that's what I found inside. And yeah, that's all about my Bible. It's nice. So I got this in the medium size. They have a larger print, but this one, the medium print. Let's talk about highlighters. So I got these highlighters from the same people that I got the Bible from, and these are pastel colors, but I'm not really a fan of it. I'm not really a fan of it. It's alright, but I'm not a fan of it. And it doesn't bleed, but if you press it too much, it will bleed. Like, when I mean bleed, when you highlight and you turn the next page, you will see a reflection of that color. So it doesn't bleed, but if you press it too much, it will bleed. It's alright, it's not bad. It's not bad. But remember that pencil I bought for my son, that pack of pencil? I'll put a picture by the side here. I'll put a picture so you see what I'm talking about. This pencil is underrated. This pencil is amazing. Trust me, just go and buy this pencil. Those are lighters that are like more of a hype. There's nothing more to it, it's just hype. But you see these pencils, you will color. It's so soft, colors nicely. You can even use it to highlight. I use it to highlight. Let me show you. So for Genesis, let me put my camera closer to it. So for Genesis, I chose a particular color theme, which is yellow, to highlight. So everything, I highlight everything in yellow. But I highlight everything in yellow. And it's what I used to color as well. So see, when you're putting these Bible tabs, you think that, oh, these Bible tabs will cover some of the doodles. Let me show you. For example, now there's something here. So when I was fixing it, I was like, are you sure it won't just cover? Where will I not put it? But don't worry, you will color. Yourself, you'll be tired of coloring. There are so many things for you to color, so many things. So back to the pencil. The pencil is just easy. It's just so easy on it. And this Exodus, I went with blue, so I'm just color coding it in that order. It's really amazing. Then Leviticus, I'm using green. Okay. Sorry for the interruption, guys. So this is a sped up video, an old video when I was fixing the Bible tabs. So I would put it and then I would remove it. because I just wanted it to look nice, clean, and really organized. So sometimes when I place it, it looks like one is bending, the other one is straight. I will now peel it off again, put it back carefully, because that thing can easily tear. I'll carefully remove it and put it back, and yeah, this is how it looks. It looks very nice. It's a lot. At a point I was like, this one not too much like this, but it's still okay. It's nice. It's all right. Anyway, and bye Bible. So guys, apart from the cool specs this fitness watch comes with and the amount of things it can do here, let me just give you the highlights of what it can do for me. So I like the fact that there's a certain way it reminds you to start moving, to get moving. Once it's almost an hour, maybe you've been seated for almost an hour, it tells you to get moving. Now it's at a picture and then it tells you to try some stretches. It's amazing, especially if you have a sedentary lifestyle health wise. I just love the fact that it reminds me to get up and move. It's amazing. I'm Samsung girl anyway. And oh, it can monitor if you snore in the night when you're sleeping. It can actually monitor if you snore, your heart rate, your and there's one other important one, your blood. Is it blood oxygen? Yeah, I think that has to do with SpO2. Yeah, your blood oxygen. Yeah, baby, this thing can do a lot. It can do a lot, and I'm just so happy I got it. You can regulate the notifications you get, so many things. I also love that you can tuck in the strap, as you can see, and the material is made of is really nice. It doesn't get dirty easily. I didn't order for white, it was black I ordered for, and they said they were going to still give me the black by call. I've not even called them, that's a reminder now. I've not even called them, but it doesn't get dirty easily. I've been wearing it for like 2 months now. It doesn't attract dirt. It's still the same color, it hasn't changed color. Maybe it's just me, and I'm reacting to it as well, but it's good stuff. The stuff is nice. It's just that my skin is very sensitive, so I don't know. Anyways, I'm still wearing it, and maybe with time the reaction will just fade off. It's really nice for the price, and yeah, that's all about my watch, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.